track, Diesel Superstocks coming up, Jody Ross, Waynesburg, PA, triple bypass.
I like it.
Doggone it, the tire speed was there. The tires were singing probably about 120 mile an hour for stocks. Roger Peterson, just another one out of Litchfield, Minnesota. Woo. 2019 Outlaw, Diesel Superstock champion right there. Roger Peterson out of Litchfield, Minnesota.
And my family.
And I suppose you're only 40.
Yeah.
Come on, baby. Rugrat, let's go.
I mean, a lot of great ones coming in.
Yeah.
Well, shucks. Doggone it. Had a good run. Out of Delano, Minnesota, just one more.
I didn't come riding yet. All night long. Oh, yeah.
Bruce Barfnecht is going to come up short. 1-877-4 fuel. 877-4 fuel. Diesel Performance Engineering. David Anderson.
You want to take it back?
Good night, rough ride, cowboy. Iowa, back in black, Case IH.
Back and forth. Get the sweat.
Troy Arndt out of Sac City, Iowa, team champion in the light limited pro stock division. He's moved up to light pro, 540 light pro. Calls it the Rugrat Rampage.
I got a
.41 to take the lead out of Williamsburg, Missouri. Braden Shramek, the legacy. to get there, had to feather the clutch to keep it spooled up off the line. Going to come up short. He was the number 2 tractor 2 seasons ago in the points race. Pretty tough customer right here. Calls it the Intimidator. Give him a round of applause. Looks to be like a new leader. Had to be 304 and change. He goes 3. Schlabach. The bone twister, Travis Schlabach sitting out front.
This is a 335. Come on, get that baby running.
It looked pretty good there for about half the pass before it went south on her. Diesel Super Stock Kit Payne, the Super Rooster International. Has to be 333.66. Goodness, that was a pretty pass. Kit Payne, the Super Rooster. That thing was loud. That thing sounded like a turbine tractor going down the track.